In the year 1330, Dopopa gave the first teaching on his controversial Shentong, or Other-Emptiness view at Jonang Monastery. It was controversial because the presentation seemed to contradict all mainline understandings of the Madhyamaka or middle way school of thought that was embraced with slightly varying interpretations by all Tibetans. As well, he seemed to contradict the thought of his Indian Buddhist predecessors, like Nagarjuna, and the great Indian commentators who followed him, such as Bhavaviveka, Chandrakirti, and Chandraksita, among others. All these towering Indian figures describe the view of emptiness as espoused in the Perfection of Wisdom Sutras. First systematized by Nagarjuna as meaning that all phenomena ultimately lack an intrinsic, unchanging nature. In other words, they are empty of a permanent self, or renton. Dopopa, rather than asserting a renton or self-emptiness view as did his predecessors, instead asserted a view called Other-Emptiness or Shenton. His view begins in a similar way to the Renton presentation. He asserts that all phenomena which arise on the basis of causes and conditions are empty of a self. So far, this resonates with the views of his Madhyamika predecessors. However, he places this understanding at the level of a relative or conventional truth, and makes a quite remarkable claim when describing ultimate truth. He claims that the ultimate truth is the mind, which is the Buddha nature, that it is the unchanging Dharmakaya or truth body of the Buddha. This is the ultimate nature of our mind, and it is not empty of itself. Rather, it is empty of everything other than itself. It is empty of conventionalities. It is empty of anything other than Dharmakaya or Buddha nature. Thus the name Other-Emptiness, or Shentong in Tibetan.
For more information on what Jonang Dharma says about the ultimate reality, please visit our website at jonangdharma.org. And if you like our video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell.